People who dated a daddy's little princess or a mama's boy. What was the last straw that made you say, "Nah, I'm out of here"? 1. His mom had a key to our apartment, and she would just use the key to enter the apartment without even knocking during any time of the day. She'd also jump into his bed if he's in the bed and cuddle with him. We were 26th. 2. We wanted to plan a holiday together. I had some suggestions of where to go and asked him for his. He said he didn't know and he'd have to ask his mom what he'd like. 3. He had just purposely on accident no-showed a flight that I paid for him. I was asking why he didn't make arrangements when he's known the flight times for 2 months. I was sobbing, but instead of trying to console me, he gave the phone to his mama and never apologized or paid me back for the flight. Todd, you're still on my shit list for the no-show flights. 4. For a while back in high school, I was dating this guy and his mom kept telling him I wasn't pretty enough for him and he deserved a girl who was really pretty, like a cheerleader or something. He was a pretty average-looking 90s boy with bleached blonde hair. I was an alt girly. We weren't totally mismatched, but maybe a little, I guess. Anyway, if I called the house to chat with him, she'd either